As we enter the holiday season, now it's the best time to work on your gifts. If you're thinking of making your own gifts, I got a few practical gift ideas to show. Now don't worry, I have all step-by-step detailed tutorials on each and everything I show you here, and you can check those out after watching this video. Now let's start with our number 1. It's a simple code keeper. You may not be much of a tech person, but most people at least have a phone, and you can keep your charger where you can find it if you have one of these code keepers. The best thing is it has a small hoop at the top, so you can hang it where you can easily see. Personally, I use this to keep my measuring tape, and you can make a bigger or smaller one depending on your requirement. So I think this will be a great gift for both men and women. Moving on to the next one, it's a mug cozy. Colder months are already here and warm drink always comes in handy to keep yourself nice and cozy. If you're planning on giving a gift for coffee or tea lovers, you can add one of these mug cozies and it'll be a very thoughtful gift. Most of these sewing projects are beginner-friendly ones and you can make a few of these mug cozies within less than an hour. Now this next thing is one of my favorites. It's a fabric book sleeve. This will be a perfect gift to wow the bookworm in your family or friend circle. This particular book sleeve has a button for the opening and closing, but I also have a tutorial for another book sleeve with a different pattern as well. Now this one has 2 straps instead of a button, and it will allow you to make a bow tie at the opening end. Pick any style you prefer or make one from each style to give away as gifts for this holiday season. As an added bonus, the second style even has a small pocket to keep your pens as well. The one absolute sure thing that includes in any gifts to sew list is tote bags. So obviously our next gift idea is tote bags. Every home at least needs one tote bag and it's a very practical and useful gift. I have 2 line tote bag tutorial videos explaining 2 different ways to sew a tote bag. Pick whichever method is more comfortable for you and you can use either webbings or make your own straps when sewing a tote bag. It's a lovely gift for both kids and adults. Now if you think tote bags are a little too simple to give away, here is a tote with a bit of added spice. It's a drawstring tote bag and it works as a simple tote and a fashionable shoulder bag. Personally, I love this bag because 1. It's more fashionable, 2. My stuff is safe inside because we can enclose the opening, 3. It's just too much fun to draw the strings at both ends while opening and closing. So which one you are gonna make for this holiday season? Let me know in the comments. Talking about fashion, now let's move on to our next gift idea. It's 2-tone scrunchies. Instead of a single-tone scrunchie, I have used 2 different fabrics to come up with 2-tone scrunchies. Scrunchies are something I use daily, so I think it's a practical gift you can give away and it won't take much time to make if you use the technique I show in my tutorial. Now for holidays, pick 2 Christmas colors or 2 Christmas prints to make your gifts specially for the holiday season. I'm planning on making a bunch of these for my sisters and nieces and I hope they'll love it. Holidays are the number 1 time we all decorate our homes. So with that, our next gift idea is decorative pillow covers. It's one of the most simple and beginner-friendly sewing projects you can ever think of. This is a very satisfactory sewing project for beginners and start with this one to build your confidence. Find a beautiful festive fabric and you'll be done in no time. Give away with the pillow inside and nobody gonna know you're a beginner. Now if you want to step up your pillow cover gifts, one way is to make patchwork quilted pillow covers. If you have fabric scraps in a variety of festive fabrics, you'll be able to make a beautiful patchwork quilt first and then make that into a decorative pillow cover. This was my first time doing that and I hope my tutorial will help you to create your first as well. Things won't be perfect, but when you're making your own gifts, you pour your heart into these creations. So everything else doesn't matter much. Joy and fun apart, holidays are the busiest time of the year for home cooking and baking departments. So a beautiful half apron would be ideal to sew and give away. To keep things extra special, you can add a bit of hand embroidery on the pocket as well. These gifts are keepers. People can use it over and over for years to come. The next gift idea is pot holders, and that will go hand in hand with the previous half apron. This pot holder is a simple one to make, and I did a little bit of quilting as well. It has a small fabric hoop for hanging, and the good thing is you don't need any binders to complete this project. It's that simple. The next gift idea is fabric jar covers, and you can use this same method to make fabric covers for any container. I did a simple embroidery design on top, and I think it suits really well, especially when you are giving away these as gifts. Another thing is making homemade jam is easier than you think, and you can then cover those jars with these jar covers to give away, or you can simply sew these and give away as it is. Either way, I'm sure people are gonna love it. Now our next one is ideal as a hostess gift. It's a wine bottle cover. Instead of gifting a wine or champagne bottle itself, you can place it in a fabric bottle cover as a nice wrapping idea and also as a gift itself. This might not be for everybody, but it'll be a popular sewing project for the holiday season. This one is also a relatively easy project to complete, and I hope you'll try this one out too. Moving on to the next gift idea, it's a glasses case. This will be a practical and useful gift for any adult to keep their eyeglasses, reading glasses or sunglasses. I used 2 layers of thicker yet soft interfacing for this project to keep the glasses safe inside. To be honest, I got mine by cutting an old sweater. I also added 2 small straps to make a knot at the top and to hang it easily when carrying it around. Now here is a gift idea for the people who always buy new car accessories. It's a fabric basket for the back seat of a car. It has a cute round bottom and it's reversible as well. So if you are gifting this for Thanksgiving, you can use a fall fabric for one side and Christmas fabric for the other side. So they can reverse it when Christmas arrives. I intended this to use as a bin for a car, but you can even use this as a regular basket to store things. The last thing on our list is a fabric gift basket. If you are thinking of giving away gift hampers for this holiday season, you might need to consider making a few of these. I used a piece of board from a heavy-duty box for the bottom, and I sewed a matching fabric case to hide that in. So now it has a strong bottom to hold all the gifts, and I also added 2 beautiful straps to make a bow tie at the top. Now these are the practical gift ideas I came up with for this holiday season, and I want to give you a little heads up too. Whenever you're making your own gifts to give away, always keep in mind that we all have different values and we need to respect that. Even though some people appreciate your time and effort, don't expect everybody to do that. So first get an idea of who it's for, do they really want it, will their values tally with these kinds of gifts. If not, do yourself a favor and think of something else. I know people pour their heart and soul into making gifts on their own, and as a receiver, I'm always thrilled to get a handmade gift. Now let's be honest, we love gift giving and we also love people acknowledging that. So to keep your peace in this holiday season, get an idea of people on your gift list first and then move on to make or buy things. I hope you love these gift ideas and let me know which one is your favorite. As always, thank you all for watching and I'll join you in the next one.